Hey y'all, welcome to my kitchen. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, and today we are going to make the most amazing and easiest barbecue ribs you have ever had. These ribs are tender, juicy, and easy to make. Let's get started by getting our ribs seasoned. I'm using a rack of baby back ribs that I've cut into 3 pieces so that it'll fit into my crock pot. Place your ribs onto a paper towel lined baking sheet and use another paper towel to get the ribs as dry as possible. That way, our seasoning will stick to the ribs. Then, in a small bowl, mix together 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, and 2 tablespoons of onion powder, mixing them very well. Now salt and pepper the ribs to taste, making sure to get both sides. Before coating them in the seasoning mixture that we made together, make sure to get every inch of the ribs covered in seasoning because we want these to be super flavorful. Once the ribs are seasoned, put them in your crock pot. You want to try to keep them from overlapping as much as possible, but a little bit of overlapping is okay. Now the only thing left to do is to set the crock pot on low for 7 hours. After the 7 hours is up, your ribs are ready to be served. Take them out of the crock pot, place them onto a serving plate, cut them if you'd like, and then serve them. I'd also recommend drizzling some of the sauce from the crock pot over them to add some added flavor and richness, but that's entirely up to you. Hey guys, our ribs are ready, so we're going to give these wonderful things a taste. Oh, it's tender, it's juicy, and flavorful. Very flavorful. Those are a winner. Those are awesome. Thank you for joining me to cook these ribs. They are amazing. They're simple to do. It's something you can do in no time. Just put them in the crock pot and leave them. They're perfect. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you next week. Bye.